Teachers can also make up a Workbin, which is for sharing files. In this case, the teacher is going to click on the Workbin. Now it's the same interface as the standard Workbin which students use to submit files, but in this case, when the teacher makes a Workbin, they've got 3 files up the top there which they're going to put in the Workbin, which students are going to be able to download from the Workbin. We choose the bottom option there, resource. Okay, and the same as before, we put in the name of the Workbin and the description. So unlike the top option, the submission, which is for students to submit files to the Workbin, the bottom option, the resource Workbin, allows students to download files from the Workbin. So it's a way for the teacher to share files, and they'll be available to the students even when the teacher is not there. In this case, we'll see the teacher creating the Workbin, so this will be available to students for a couple of days. And then the teacher can go and add some files to the Workbin. In this case, there's 3 files there on the desktop. There's an assignment, an example, and a presentation. So the teacher can select multiple files in the file window there. And then they start the upload, and they'll be uploaded. Okay, now if something goes wrong and for some reason you can't upload that file, it could have been opened by another program or something, you can close it and click on retry. Alright, there's all the files in the Workbin there. Now we've got a couple of options down the bottom of the screen. You can upload more, you can delete all those. Okay, we'll just do a quick example of deleting them. Okay, so teachers can adjust which files are in the Workbin, and if there's a file in the Workbin that's not relevant anymore, they can quite easily delete it and replace it with another file. And of course the students will need to go back and re-download that file. We can also see, and we swap over to the student, how the student can take those files from the Workbin. All the students need to do is click on the Workbin that the teacher has set up. They'll see all the files the teacher's put in the Workbin. They'll be able to select them and download them to their computer. So this is a very quick and easy way for students to get the files from the teacher. Instead of logging into our learning content management system and logging in through a web interface, it's a lot quicker just to go straight into here and grab those files.